Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and enable identity verification for Social Security Online detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Social Security Administration's official website. Press the Enter key to access the home page. Once the page loads, locate and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. If you do not have an account, select the option to create one. Follow the prompts to fill in your personal information, including your Social Security number and date of birth. After entering your details, create a username and password that you'll remember. Ensure your password meets the specified security criteria. Once you complete the registration form, click the Submit button. You will receive an email with a verification link. Open your email and click on the link to verify your account. Return to the Social Security website and sign in using your new credentials. After logging in, look for the option labeled Identity Verification. Click on this option to begin the verification process. You may be asked to confirm your identity using questions based on your personal history. Provide accurate answers to each question to proceed. If prompted, you may also need to upload identification documents. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload the necessary files. Once everything is submitted, review your information for accuracy. Click the Confirm button to finalize the identity verification process. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your verification status. If successful, you will be able to access your Social Security account with enhanced security. If you encounter any issues, refer to the FAQ section on the website for assistance. Make sure to log out of your account after completing the process to ensure your information remains secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.